Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do professional editing with Snapseed. Snapseed is a photo editing app, so I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to edit any photo. But before we dive into the tutorial, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button. As you can see now, this is the number of subscribers I have. So I'm hoping that by the end of the month I will reach 1000 subscribers. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I'd like you to click on that subscription button and also like this video. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop new videos on my channel. And I know that you also like to go through these tutorials that will help boost your design skills. So right away, let me show you the photo we'll be editing. So this is what we shall be editing, and by the end of the day we want to realize something like this. So we'll be realizing something of this sort. So if you have not yet downloaded your Snapseed app, I would like you to go on Play Store now and download your Snapseed app. This is how it looks like. So if you have still following up to now, I have not yet subscribed, you hit on the subscribe button. So when you click open, it will display like this. You click on the plus sign and you choose the photo you want to edit. So as earlier said, this is the photo we shall be editing. So if this is your first time of using your Snapseed app, if you look downward, you see some tools here. You have the looks tool, the tools itself, and the export tool. So we shall be navigating through this tool, but first of all I will click on the middle one, tools, that come to curve. Yeah, I want the image to be more obvious. So now I will hold on this line and bring it down a bit. Yeah, click OK. So the next tool we shall be exploring is the details tool. So we just follow the formula I'll be given. For the structure formula, just place your hand on the screen and you navigate, you increase. We shall be using 15. Again, you sweep up. Yeah, we see the sharpening tool. Yeah, for this sharpening tool we shall be navigating it to 50. Alright, click OK. The next tool we shall be using is this tonal contrast. This one, tonal contrast. Yeah, the high tone is at 30, we should keep it at 25. Alright, and again, what shall we be using? I come to my tune image, this one here. So for the brightness, I'll keep the brightness at 15. So everything else is virtually at 15. Contrast at 15, saturation the same at 15, highlight at 15, ambience at 15. Alright, so I'll come now to portrait. I'll sweep downward, I come to portrait, click on portrait. Yeah, so I have this for portrait. Now I want to work on the face. So for the face spotlight, I'll leave it at 15. Then smooth skin at 100. Alright, eye clarity at 25. Okay, I think we'll end here. So this is what we have realized. So if you want to see the original photo, right, you double tap and hold. Yeah, this is how the image was originally, but we have edited and it has given something like this. So this is how you can edit your photo step by step on Snapseed. So now if you want to save, you click on this export tool here. From there you can click on save. So if you are still watching and you have not yet subscribed, please hit on that subscribe button. Also turn up the notification bell, because time after time I'll be dropping tutorials that will help boost your design skills. And also like this video so that many people can get access to it. And last thing you do for me is for you to share this video. And always remember that Jesus loves you and have a wonderful plan for your life. Thanks for watching.